Okay there, everybody out there in Techland. This is your friend, the Tech Guy. Look what I got in the mail today. I know it's an old thing, but it's new to me, and I know all about it. But since I've got my Samsung S8, which by the way, I'm using the Samsung S8 for doing my video here right now. Just beginning my YouTube thing here, so budget, right? So anyway, I always want to get one of these Gear VRs. This is the new one for the S8. You can use it for anything from the Samsung S6, S6 Edge, S7, S7 Edge, S8, S8 Plus, and you can also use it for the new S9, S9 Plus as well, because it is compatible for that, because it is USB Type-C. So I got this one here on Amazon Canada, because I am in Canada. Good deal, like $99. You can't come around with that at all. Now this is here, actually it is what we call an international version, and this is why everything's in Arabic on the back, but it is Samsung certified. You can see right here, it is powered by Oculus. Comes with the controller, as you can see in the back here. Everything is here, but you can see it gives you a 360 view. You know that it has a hand controller and everything that as well too. So pretty much the way this works is that you put your phone inside there, and then right away the app will download to your phone. So I already pre-cut it because I'm using I only got one hand free here. So let's give this a try and see how this goes. So of course, Samsung does some great packaging. Not too bad. This came in by pre-order today. So let me see if I can take it out. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Perfect. Classic unboxing. Fantastic. So here we go. Look at this. Now I'm just seeing this the first time, as you are as well. So here is the VR, the main device right here. I can see it has some nice rubberized packaging there. Oh, this is my carpet there. Look at that. I'm a messy man. So anyway, there you go. There's your device right there. There's your lenses inside. Nice, comfortable foam right there as well. Right here, this is where your strap goes to. I'll show you that inside, stripping the box here. On the side here, there's your gesture controls. There's your home button right there, and there's your back button right there as well. Volume up and down, and up here is great. It has a focus on it, so even from what I heard, the high-end VR devices, it doesn't have this focus here, which is kind of interesting. So let's take this here off here. So you can do this one hand. Dun, 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 dun. Talk amongst yourself, folks, while I do this. Okay. Dun, 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 dee, dee. Best unboxing ever. Dee, 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 dee. Okay, here we go. And don't worry, folks, no plastic trees was harmed in this event. Okay, here we go. So basically, let me just see here. How did this come off? Oh, there we go. Comes like that. So this comes off. This is your covering to put your phone into. I can see right here. This is where your phone just slides out to put your phone to here. You can slide from A to B right here, as you can see. One's for the bigger phones like your S8 Pluses and 9 Pluses, and this is for your regular size devices as well. You can see right here, it is, you can focus into that. There we go. You see it's USB Type-C, but there should be some adapters in the box here. So this is the box right here. That's inside of this. Nothing else inside that. I can see. Pretty empty. So let me see if I can open this up one hand. There we go. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So I'm pretty excited to try this. I heard the App Store for the Gear VR has been very oh, there's one thing that is missing from here. Where's the two? maybe it's in this box. All these user guides right here, you can see. Warranties, all this stuff as well. Fun stuff, no one reads that anyway. And inside this box right here, let me just see here. Ah, here it is. Okay, this is the important thing. There we go. There we go. This is your hand controller. So this is why the 2017 version of this Gear VR is very popular now, because of this device. Everything that you can see over here, right here, these touch controls, you don't have to like fiddle with that. They're all on your hands right now. So you have a little trigger here. So like if you're like say doing some shooting games, that's for your gun. That's there. This is a trackpad. You can see it's very clicky. It's not a bad size. Like I heard it wasn't very big, and I wasn't like shocked seeing how small it was. But basically, you know, for you're holding in one hand, it's very comfortable to hold. It's like angled a little bit there as well too, so it's very ergonomic to hold. Kind of liking the feel of it. It's very like again, it's smooth plastic. But you know, for a device, you know that's I think it's on sale on Amazon Canada now for $130. Best Buy Canada as well. Most anybody that sells the Gear VR, like the Source and all that, has it for the same price. But this one here is like $100. And I read some reviews on it before I bought it, and everybody was very happy with this international version. It does the job, same thing anyway. Like they're not locked anyway, you use for any kind of device. Let's see here, volume and down. There's your back button and your home button as well too. And inside here, you put your batteries in there. And from what I heard, there is batteries inside of here. Let me just see here now. Oh, this here is actually your adapters. So you have micro USB to USB-C adapter for like charging up right there, and this here converts it into for your other devices for micro USB right there as well. Okay, and let me see what else is inside here. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, here we go. Batteries, yes sir. Thank you, Samsung, for giving us batteries for our remote. Okay. And what else is inside here? Oh, here we go. This is your head strap. Let me just get this in focus here a bit. There we go. So this is your head strap right here. So you basically, like I said, you put it into here and right over here as well. And this is where your front one clamps on. So because it's very comfortable. And let's see, anything else in the box here. And there's another piece of strap there as well. So basically, let's put all this here aside, out of the way. You don't need all that there. Put that over there. So, this is everything that you get in the box. There's your straps. There's your controller. There's your VR. Your batteries. Your adapter. Oh, and this is your front piece here as well. And, of course, your famous user guides, yes sir, that no one reads. So anyway, there you go. So very nice looking device. I'm looking forward to using it as well too. Anybody out there who has a Gear VR, you know, please make a comment below. Let me know your experience on the device as well too. I've seen a lot of other YouTube channels that he actually has like games and stuff, and the games are like kind of pretty cool that you get for it. You can even watch like Netflix on your Gear VR as well. So you can do a lot of things with it. So it's something to do like maybe to pass the time away. But you know, VR is still very popular. It's been out now for a few years. So I'm going to try it out now and see how it is. And there we go. So anyway, thank you for watching my little unboxing here of the Gear VR 2017 version. Please give me a good thumbs up on here. Leave a comment as well too, and subscribe, you know, because I would love to have you subscribe my channel. So anyway, this is the Tech Guy saying good day, and may all your tech be fun tech.